Vlogger na si Sir. Vlogger na daw si Sir. Welcome mga ka-online class!
In this video, I will teach you about derivations. So what are derivations for? We use derivations if we want to derive an equation from a given equation with the use of this amazing triangle. For example, we have a given equation. F is equal to ma. This is an equation of force, where F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. This means that force is equal to mass times acceleration. In using the triangle, since F is what is being asked, we put F at the top portion of the triangle. And M and A will be written at the bottom. Actually, this line here represents division. And the vertical line represents multiplication. So as you can see, to solve for F, we just cover the F and we have the equation of force, which is mass times acceleration. What if you want to derive an equation from this equation? We want to derive the equation of acceleration. So we will just cover A here so that we can know what is the equation of acceleration, which is acceleration is equal to force divided by mass. How about we want to know what is the equation of mass? We will just again cover the mass. Mass is equal to force divided by acceleration. So this is how we derive equations from a given equation using the derivation method. Let's have another example, the equation of velocity. Velocity is distance over time. So using the triangle, distance should be at the top and time should be at the bottom. And then we put velocity here. So in order for us to know the equation of velocity, we just cover velocity. Velocity is equal to distance divided by time. How about we want to know the equation of distance? We just cover the distance. So distance is equal to velocity multiplied by time. How about if we want to know the equation of time? We just cover time. Time is equal to distance divided by velocity. So that is how derivations work. video, I hope you learned something about derivations and you can apply it into your lessons. Derivations can be used not only in science but also in mathematics subject. Let me have a shout out to Kit Benison Bernales, to Joshua Carl Tapayan, and to Martelo Teo Veloso. They are my students in Pilgrim in section grade 8 Perseverance. I hope you like this video and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.